AI music generation is exploding right now, and two names keep coming up: Suno and the newer challenger, Sonauto. Both can turn your text prompt into full songs, with vocals and instruments. But which one should you actually use? Let's break it down. Here's the bombshell. Sonauto is 100% free with unlimited music generation capabilities, while Suno operates on a freemium model with a limited free tier and paid subscription options for expanded access. Sonauto provides full commercial usage rights even for free users, a massive deal for content creators and musicians looking to monetize without licensing fees. That alone is game changing. In direct comparison, Sonauto often exhibits better audio quality, with users reporting that Sonauto's vocals are cleaner and instrument tracks are higher fidelity, whereas Suno's instrumentals can sometimes sound low quality or muffled. While Suno has struggled to escape a recognizable AI signature in its music, Sonauto delivers more unique and less predictable outputs. However, Suno excels at precision and is good at producing up to 2 minutes of material, which helps keep choruses coherent. Here's where it gets interesting. Sonauto has the most underrated feature in painting. You can upload any song, highlight the exact section you want to change, write new lyrics for the part, and the AI will re-sing only that section while keeping the rest intact. That's a game changer for perfecting tracks without starting over. Sonata supports stem separation, custom lyrics, and a range of style options with high customization, including prompt strength controls. But there's a catch. For Suno, you can quickly change settings and iterate, while Sonato needs to reload, which makes the process slower and less user friendly. Unlike Suno, which often rejects prompts with specific artist names, Sonato leans right into it, demonstrating ability to generate music in a distinct emotional style and sometimes even the vocal timbre of famous artists like Taylor Swift or Eddie Vedder. This creative freedom is huge for experimentation. So, which one is better? If budget is a primary concern and you want complete unlimited generations, Sonato is a great option. Choose Suno if you really need precision with coherent choruses and a more polished iterative workflow. For most creators, especially those just starting out or working on a budget, Sonato's combination of unlimited free generation, commercial rights, and superior audio quality makes it the winner. So which one are you choosing? Let us know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.